Hello everyone! Today we'll talk about the solution to the problem special array 1. This is a trivial, easy problem. We have to check for every pair of adjacent elements in the array if they are of a different parity. There are multiple ways of doing that. You can of course just write some if-else statement or something like that. You could also make a counter and add 1 to that counter if a given number is, let's say, even or odd, and see if that counter for every pair of adjacent elements is exactly equal to 1. And another way of doing that, which is what I'm going to show, is by using the operation XOR, binary XOR. Now, with binary XOR, we XOR together all pairs of adjacent numbers, and so at every position we will have a 1, only if exactly one of those two numbers has a 1 on that position. Okay, so that's how XOR works. And how about checking parity? Well, to check a parity of a number, we can just end it bitwise with 1. So 1 is just a number that has all zeros, but only 1 on the least significant position. So if we end together, so we use binary end, bitwise end, with 1, then we are looking only at this least significant bit. And so we check if this number has this least significant bit set, which means that exactly one of those has it set. And again, this least significant bit, if it's set, the number is odd. If it's not set, the number is even. And we want to do it to check if all of those are true for I in range n, where n is the length of the array minus 1. So we want to go through all the pairs, want to check the XOR of those adjacent elements, and we want to check the least significant bit. So this XOR has to be odd, so we check that this XOR is odd, and this is the whole solution.